Hi, I am Santanu. I am going to implement the console program whether a number is prime or not. So, what is a prime number? So, the number which is divisible by only by 1 and itself, that is called prime number. Means a prime number has only two divisors. Uh, what are the two divisors? Means 1 and that prime number or that number. So to implement this program, I have to check whether the number is divisible by any other number or not. So what I have to do, I have to check this number, any number uh, that is divisible by any other number or not. If it is divisible by any other number, then it is not prime number, and if it is not divisible, then it is prime number. Suppose I will take an example. Suppose a number 13. So what are the prime numbers generally? Prime number starts from 2. So 2, 3, 5, 2. So 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the prime numbers. Then 11, 13, etc. So these are the prime numbers. So how to check? How to check a number is prime or not? Suppose I will take as 11, this one. I will take as 11, and 11 has how many divisors? The number 11 has how many divisors? So uh, so 11 has two divisors. So one is and another one 11. So 11, the number 11 has uh, has two divisors, only two divisors, that is 1 and 11. So it is a prime number. So how will I check? First I will check this number 11 has how many divisors. So I have to check it is prime or not. So I have to divide 11 from 2 to from 2 to 10. So I will divide 11 from 2 to 10. I will check if the remainder, if the remainder will be 0, means it is 11 is divisible by any number, and if it is not divisible by 0 or not divisible by the any number from 2 to 10, so it is a prime number. So now I have written a program. So first user input to check prime number, user input to check prime number means a user will input a number to check whether the number is prime or not. So it is for user input of a number. and this one using a variable count, use a variable count that will count the number of divisors. So this one, here I have taken a variable count. It will count the number of divisors of the number, of the given number. So here uh, uh, I have taken for loop. Why I have taken for loop? Because here the number of iteration is fixed. The number of iteration is fixed, and here I have to check the number whether it is divisible from 2 to 10 or not. So I have to check how many times, multiple times, but number of iteration is fixed. So 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 I have taken first int k equal to 2. Why I have taken k equal to 2? Means 11 is divisible by 1 and divisible by 11. So I have taken from 2 to that number. 2 to, not that number, from 2 to 1 less than that number, means 2 to 10. So for this I have taken k equal to 2 and k smaller than num, means if num equal to 11, so maximum value of k will be 10. If num equal to suppose 15, so maximum value of k is 14. Then what happen? Int k equal to 2. So num, the user input, whatever user will input the number, that will uh, so num modulo k means it will give the remainder, means suppose user will input 13, then 13 modulo 2, 13 modulo 2 equal to 0. Suppose I have taken 11, sorry, I have taken 11, so 11 and it is 2, so 11 modulo k equal to 0. So it is not 0, so then this if condition will skip. Then what will be? Then k value will be increased and k will be 3. Then k smaller than num, means 3 smaller than 11. True. So num modulo k equal to 0. So 11 modulo 3 equal to 0. So false. Then this block will not execute uh, till this block will not execute because num modulo k, if num modulo k equal to 0, then this will execute. So for 11 there is, for 11 any number from 2 to 10 is not divisible by 11. So here, count equal to what? Count equal to 0. So if count equal to 0, so it will print num plus is a prime number. Means num means the number what is inputted by user. And then suppose I will take as 15. Suppose I have taken a number or user will input 15. So what will happen? So 15 has how many divisors? Means 1 and 15. So every number is divisible by 1 and itself. So I have to check whether the number 15 is divisible by any number from 2 to 14 or not. If it is divisible only once also, it is not a prime number. So here what will happen? Uh, User will input 15, then k equal to count obviously 0. First I have initialized as 0 and k equal to 2. So 15, uh, then k equal to 2, then this block will come. 15 modulo k equal to 0. This condition will checked. So 15 modulo k, 15 modulo 2 equal to 0. So it's not equal to 0. So this will skipping. Then k value will increase and k equal to 3. Then 3 modulo 15 true. Then 15 modulo 3 equal to 0. Yes. So 15 modulo 3 means remainder will be 0. Then this block will execute, means count plus plus. Here count equal to 0, so count plus plus will be 1. Once count will increase, means count will never be 0. Once count will increase, so here count never will be, so count never will be 0. So if count not equal to 0, if count 0, this will execute. If count not equal to 0, then else part will execute. So num plus is not a prime number. And how many times it will execute? Till k will be 14. Till k will be 14, this loop will execute. And similarly for 4, when after k equal to 3, then after count plus plus, then k equal to 4 and 4. So 4 less than 15, so 15 modulo 4 equal to 0, false, so this will skip. And then k plus plus, then k plus plus means 5, so 5 smaller than 15, so 15 modulo 5 equal to 0, so true, so this will execute. So what was count? Count was 1. Now count plus plus means count will be 2. Similarly, till 14 this will execute, and so for 15 count will not be 0 because it is increasing. Count is increasing, so this part will not execute and this part will execute. So now I will see in output. Enter a number, suppose 13. 13 is a prime number. Suppose I will take 15. So 15 is not a prime number. Suppose I take 37. So 37 is a prime number. So main thing is logic. How to create a logic? What is the code behind the logic? How can we implement the logic? That is the main thing. So you are enjoyed my program. So thanks.